Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is my birthday. Well, not at this particular moment as I'm filming this video, but when this video goes live on April 4th and when you guys are watching this, it will be my birthday. So I wanted to create something that was really fun and vibrant and colorful and something that is perfect for spring and summer. So this was the look that I came up with. And honestly, the only reason I created this look was because of this palette. This palette was calling my name. It seemed so perfect for today. So that is the BH Cosmetics Zodiac Aries palette. You know how much I love the Zodiac palette. That is probably my favorite palette from BH Cosmetics. But this palette is an Aries palette. It is Aries season. I'm an Aries and it's my birthday today. So I figured perfect timing to create a look using this palette. So let me show you the inside. It's so pretty and so perfect for spring and summer. The shades are beautiful and so warm and peachy and coral, and I'm obsessed with the look. So I hope that you guys enjoy this tutorial, and if you want to stick around to see how I created this look for my birthday, then just keep on watching. I'm going into the BH Cosmetics Zodiac Aries palette. The first shadow I'm picking up is this peachy shade. I'm starting off with the Sigma E38 Diffuse Crease Brush, and I'm going to start running that through my crease, going back and forth, and then doing little circular motions, and then I'm going to start winging this out a little bit. I'm now picking up this corally orange, and now I'm switching over to the Sigma E25, and I'm first going to create that outer wing shape. So what I do is I go from the outer corner of my lid up towards the tail of my brow, and then back from that line, and then into my crease. And then bring that all the way in. And then now I'm going to start blending everything out. And then I'm going to switch over to my Sigma E54 medium sweeper brush with that same shadow. I'm going to start packing that all across my lid. And then what I like to do is just blend a little bit through the crease with this brush with whatever shadow is left on the brush, just to make sure there's no patchiness and everything blends really seamlessly. Now everything's looking a little harsh. I want it to be super blended out, so I'm picking up that light peachy shade again on my E38 and just applying that at the very high point of the crease and this outer corner, and then just start blending. So I'm going to keep my lower lash line really minimal. I really want all the concentration up on top and my inner corner highlight. So I picked up a really small amount of that light peachy shade that we used first as our transition shade through the crease on this E25, and I'm just going to apply this just on this outer half of my lower lash line. And then I'm going to mix in just a little bit, like the tiniest amount of that brighter coral shade. To highlight my inner corner, I'm picking up this peachy gold duochrome shadow. Now comes the fun part with the inner corner highlight. So I picked this shadow up on my Sigma F70 concealer brush. I'm applying it first on this inner corner, and then I'm going to drag that into this inner part of my lower lash line. I want it to be super intense, so I'm picking that up on my finger and applying that with my finger and then on my lower lash line. To line my waterline, I'm going into Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Pencil and Torch. And now I'm just going to line my lower waterline. I'm going to apply some mascara and false lashes, and today I'm going to the Salon Perfect Silk Noir Lashes in 651. These lashes are so pretty and so fluffy, but they're so long that I feel like I could brush my eyebrows out with them. So moving on to my lips, I'm stuck. I don't know if I want to do a coral, like red orange, or a nude. I think I'm going to do this. It's my birthday. I want to do something fun and bright and vibrant, and I think I'm going to go with this. So this is the L'Oreal, I think it's the lip stain or liquid lipstick in I Don't, and these feel so amazing. They're really lightweight but really pigmented and long lasting. So this is what I'm going to be wearing. And that's it. This is a completed look of my coral / sunset inspired makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed. I love the look so much, and I love how fun and bright and vibrant and perfect for spring and summer it is. I know that I did a coral look a few videos back, but I couldn't resist. The shades were just too pretty, and I really wanted to create a look using this palette for Aries season. So I did. And that inner corner highlight, that peachy gold duochrome shadow, reminds me so much of a sunset. I'm obsessed. Love it. And this lip, oh my god, I forgot how much I love these L'Oreal lipsticks. They're so amazing. They feel like water being applied on your lips, and they're so hydrating and lightweight and so comfortable. I am obsessed with them. So if you guys want to follow me on Snapchat, Instagram, and Twitter, that'd be right here, as well as down in the description box, and also lists of all the products that I used today, along with my brush set with Sigma, will be listed down below for you guys to find everything easier. And I think that should be it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!